Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this QTO's Real Littles, Real Brands, Real Cute, like mini Mega Mart. So you can kind of see it on the back of the box, but let's not look at that too long. And it also includes some like other minis as well, so I'm really excited to like open it up and have a look. So this has actually been sitting here for a day as I didn't have time to do it. I've been itching to open it, but I wanted to film it at the same time. I really like the box, it's super cool. It looks like a giant box of cereal, like you can even see that at the top bit. And it's got like a fake like nutrition thing on the side. But anyway, let me open this up. I might need a little knife or something, so let me just grab that. That is scissors. Here we go. Let me do this bit here. Come on.
A few moments later.
Okay. Throw this to the side. And this is how it looks. So I'm guessing this has the extra minis in it. So let me slice that off. Where is the knife? Oh my gosh, I just used it and I can't find it. Here it is. Cool. It's got these like stickers. Oh, there we go. Ew. Stickery. And this one. Maybe. I think this is like the slowest unboxing anyone's ever done. Sorry, it's taking so long. Okay, hopefully we don't need the knife anymore. Ooh. It's got that on it. Get a little loopy ketchup. I don't like ketchup. Anyway, what should I open first? I think I'm gonna open, let's open the minis first, and then I will open the bigger box next. I'm really excited because I got Pringles in this box. Oh, okay. There's nothing in there. I thought there were extra minis in there. Maybe they're actually in the main part. So this is literally nothing, okay. More cardboard to recycle, right. So this is the Pringles. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. And this is like, yeah, the cereal. Oh, it's even got the tiny box of QTOs, and on the back it's even got the tiny imprint of the Mini Mart. How cute is that? So far we've just got these, the Pringles, and the barbecue. What's your favourite flavour? Mine is like sour cream and chive, I think. So I've got these. Let's just put these to the side. Right, let's open this, the best thing. Ooh. Oh, she's a sticker. Why am I so bad at unboxing things? I can never take things out of the box. Okay, I'm gonna open this end and then I'm gonna like push it through. There we go. Okay. Right, it comes with some instructions. Oh, look, it even looks like, I don't know if you can see, that's quite reflective. Let me Where is the damn knife? here it is. So let me just like cut this. Don't want to scratch the plastic. I really hope that the extra minis are like a surprise. I hope that they're not opened. I'm sure they won't be opened. Cool. It's already starting to unfold. So there's like the front, as I was saying. It's got like the Cutios things on the front. Oh, there's so much to put in the bin. Okay, so here's some instructions on how to like open it and how to close it. So let me not break this. So you unclip that. Okay. Wait, what? Alright, you unclip this whole thing. If it will come off. Oh my gosh, why am I so weak? Is that right? Maybe I should have watched my own unboxing video to begin with. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ah, okay, cool. Oh. Okay. And then what? Oh, right, it goes like that. Oh, I see. Okay, cute. Oh, and then... Whoa, that was loud. Oh, I thought there were more minis. I literally thought that you got some minis of this. Okay. Well, I obviously didn't read that correctly. And then where is this supposed to go? I guess you can put it where you want. This is like the sleep thing. I'm like confused because I thought there were minis of this. I thought there were more, like not just these two. I mean, these are really cool and all because I really wanted the Pringles, but I guess I need to buy some more like packets. So right now I have an empty supermarket. I guess this is a supermarket at the beginning of like lockdown. It has no products unless you want Pringles. Do you guys have one of these, or are you looking to get one? Let me know what you think in the comments. Well, I hope this video wasn't too disappointing. I just need to get a bunch of items to fill the shelves now. I'm going to put this in the breakfast aisle. They look like donuts. Anyway. So if you want some cereal, or what's in this? Chocolate candy lollipops gum. It's like sweets. And yeah. If you want some Pringles, come to my store. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully in the next few days or so I'm going to buy some more minis. And then I might have a full supermarket, but right now my shelves are a bit lacking. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If you lasted this long, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll be doing some more exciting, very slow unboxings. Bye.